Jai Hind everyone, I am Umesh and today I am going to speak on a topic that reflects the growth, strength and the global rise of our nation. India is a superpower. For many years, India was seen as a developing country, but today the world look at India's respect because our nation is not just rising, India is transforming it's into a superpower. Firstly, we talk about India's growing economy. India is now fifth largest economy in the world and will soon become the third largest. Our digital economy, startups, manufacturing, and service sectors are growing rapidly. Companies across the world are investing in India because they see our potential. A superpower is not just a strong military; it is strong economically, and India is proving that. Secondly, we talk about powerful defense forces. India has one of the strongest armed forces in the world: army, navy, and air force. We are a nuclear powered nation. We have one of the biggest armies. The Indian Navy controls the Indian Ocean. The Indian Air Force has the advanced fighter jets like Rafale, Tejas, and Su-30. And importantly, we have soldiers whose courage is unmatched. A nation with a strong border, nation with a strong future. Now we talk about ISRO, putting India in space leadership. India shocked the world with Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan 3, Aditya L1, and low cost, high success missions. ISRO proved that superpowers are not built by money, they are built by vision. Now we talk about India's role in the world. During COVID 19, India became the pharmacy of the world, sending vaccine to over to over 100 countries. India is also leading in. India is also leader in peacekeeping, climate action, and digital technology and global diplomacy. World leaders now see India as a nation that works of peace, development, and humanity. Now we talk about India's youth power. Today, India has the largest youth community. The biggest reason of India is becoming a superpower is our youth. More than 60% of Indians are below the age of 35. Students, engineers, teachers, cricketers, startups. The youth are driving India's future. A nation with young can achieve anything. Now, to be concluded, I want to say that today's India is not just a country, India is a force. We are rising in economy, defense, technology, cricket, football, many sports, and leadership, science, and many more. We believe in a peace, but we stand. We believe in a peace, but we stand strong. The challenge: we don't follow trends and we create them. India is not becoming a superpower, India is already a superpower in the making. And as the youth of Indian nation, it is our responsibility to lead India even higher and make the powerful country among all. So this is all from my side, my friends. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.